Let us construct an isosceles right angle triangle with the hypotenuse of 5 cm using a ruler and a compass only. Of course, we will be using pencil. First step, we will be drawing a line segment that measures 5 cm. 0 to 5. And we obtain a line segment that measures 5 cm. Let us label the line segment as AB. Next, we want to identify midpoint of AB. For that purpose, we will be drawing perpendicular bisector to AB. Draw two circular arcs from point B. And then without changing radius, draw two circular arcs from point A. Join the intersection point by using straight edge or a ruler. Label the intersection point of the perpendicular to AB as M. Now M is middle point of AB. Take a compass, adjust the radius of compass to measure AM, and then simply draw a semicircle. Let the semicircle intersect the perpendicular at the point C and join AC, of course again using a ruler, and then join BC as well, again using the ruler. Observe that angle A measures 45 degrees and so does angle B, and angle C measures 90 degrees, or it is a right angled triangle. Not just that, it is a right angled isosceles triangle. You may ask, why does it work? That's because angle in a semicircle is a right angle, and we have constructed perpendicular bisector. By the theory of congruence, it should happen that AC equal to CB, and thus it is a isosceles triangle. So it is a isosceles right angle triangle.